What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a smart bird feeder. This is a 2K 3 megapixel bird feeder. Solar panels. It's going to be awesome. Easy setup on the box right there. All right. Big instruction manual right here. All of this is your choice, you guys. You don't have to install all of this. All right. You have your suet ball holder right here. It's not hummingbird season, so I'm not going to do this. Suet balls, we don't have none. I'm not worried about that. So we're going to go ahead and install the perch. So there you go. It snaps right on in. You have different ways to mount this thing up, okay? So they did give you a strap right here. Usually you can strap this up to a tree if you want to strap it up to a tree, or maybe your deck post. Right here is the mount. You got the two screw holes right there. All right. Now to put this on, see how you have the grooves right there? Those are the recessed for the grooves. And then you put it in. All right. So you can kind of put it any way you want to do it. So you have a post, you want to put it on a right angle. All right. If you have a post, you want to put it in any type of angle you want to put it in, put the post in, you can. This is your screw to keep this intact. Screw this onto your wood. You can strap it onto your post on your deck. If you feed birds on your deck, then your fence, well, not fence post, but your deck post will be perfect, because you can just put it right through the strap. You just strap it on to your post. You strap it through, and then you buckle it to make it real tight. All right. And that's how that works. You snap it down, and then it tightens the strap. Charged by solar, or you can charge by outlet. You have to take this USB out. Okay. This is for the camera. All right. You see that? Camera. And this is charger for the solar. So charging for the solar, or you charge in your home through the wall outlet. Right here it says open. Okay. Pop that, and there you go. Pour in your food. All right. Nice and easy. So if you want hummingbird feeder right here, you can put your hummingbird feeder. Boom. Nice and easy. You have your fork slot right here. Should snap in. Okay, there we go. You got the ball here to feed, so you can put a little bit of liquid right there, and then you have the feeder right here. Again, if you haven't seen none of my reviews reviewing bird feeders like this, I will put out the playlist. I will probably put it down here, or I will put it at the end of the video. Usually I put related products at the end of my videos. Before you start recording, make sure you take your beauty cover off. Now let's go ahead and get into it. All right, everyone. So I downloaded the app. All right. In order to download the app, you got to go to the instructions and hit the QR code. Well, on here, it says on and off right there. So it's a little switch right here. And if you can't get it, or if your nails are not long enough, just take the solar charger off and click it over. All right. We clicked it over. It's blinking blue. And now we're going to go to add device. So I always allow my location, you guys. All right. That's just is what it is. I'm gonna go. Every time you hook up some smart thing or something like this, you may see this, right? It says select 2.4 gigahertz network. That is very important. If you select a 5.0, it will not work. All right. It will not work. It will not work. It will not work. Trust me, I've been reviewing this type of stuff, smart devices on my channel for years. Look for a 2.4 gigahertz. Now with mine, my guest network is a 2.4 gigahertz network. So, and I also have extenders. So I have Wi-Fi extenders here. I got Wi-Fi extenders in the garage. So whatever you want to hook up to, just make sure it's a 2.4 gigahertz, and then I'll come right back with y'all. All right, you guys. So now it's asking me to aim it in front of the camera. So let's see. All right. It scanned this. I believe it's green. It says I heard the prompt. It's waiting. It's connecting. All right. Now you're on my 2.5 hertz network. I'm getting a notification right there. It says motion detected. All right. Now it sees me. All right. So you see I'm walking forward. y'all watching me on the camera, and this is not bad. This is not bad, you guys. The camera, the reaction time, I'm lifting my arm down, arm up, arm down. All right. So, it's time to put it outside, and this is a 512 gigabyte. My father-in-law bought it from somewhere, I don't know, eBay or somewhere, and he want to know if these are good or not. So I'm going to test it out because I actually use a lot of SIM cards to the best of my ability. All right, you guys, so we are going to go ahead and put this up. All right. And screw it on. Nice and simple. Hopefully y'all can see it because I kind of aimed y'all all the way up. All right. So that's simple, you guys. So the camera is on already. I'm getting notifications like crazy on my tablet. I need to put it on my iPhone and my Pixel, but I'll do that later. Newer seeds. I never used these seeds before. All right. It's full enough. Gonna close it. All right. Now, squirrels shouldn't be able to lift the back of that open, so we should be good there. You got your slots right there so the water can fall down. That's what it looks like when it's done. That will be it for now, and stay tuned. I'll show y'all some video footage, and then we'll go over the app.